Oh, what's up, dude? How y'all doing? Day before Father's Day 2017, June 18th or something like that. Anyway, I'm cleaning this off now, getting ready to weld down through there. So looks like it's on there pretty decent, you know. It's on there pretty decent. Really good, really. Yeah. I have a feeling that moisture could get in there. You know, if you poured it in there. Get in there, it won't get out. That's the problem. But I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going on with it. So as you can see, I'm cleaning up around the edge. And we'll tack that in. Tack these in. I don't know if I'm going to just tack it or not. I think I'm going to hit it in some key places. And then seal it with some fiberglass, or seal it with that chassis saver, and then put some fiberglass on top of that. Point is, I got to sand it down really good in order for that chassis saver to stick, and for the fiberglass to stick on top of that. As you can see that gap right there. I'm gonna take that nail out and then take the drill, or take the wire brush, go down in there. But this stuff is so hard, the wire brush may not be hard enough to get it out. Right now, what's getting it off is this thing right here. Not bad. It's working pretty good. So I wanted to give you an update. I'll do the side over here too as well. When I finish, I'll come back with you. All right, too.